Hello students, welcome back. Now let us solve one more example, that is example 10. ये example करने के साथ you will be comfortable to solve the exercise of your own. ठीक है, ये example और पिछले हमने जो concept clear किए हैं उतना जानने के बाद you can solve exercise of your own. ठीक है, so क्या है, find the coordinate of foci, the vertices, the length of major axis, the length of minor axis and the eccentricity of the ellipse 9x square plus 4y square equal to 36. ठीक है, so let us see. Now this equation may be written in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So let us see how. Since the given equation nine x square plus 4y square equal to 36 may be written as 9x square by 36 plus 4y square by 36 equal to 1. ठीक है, और further if we divide 36 by 9 and by 4 will get same as, or x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. ठीक है, now just see this equation here. Denominator of y square by 9 is larger than denominator of x square by 4. That means axis of major axis of this ellipse will be along y axis. ठीक है, now since the denominator of y square by 9 is larger than denominator of x square by 4. Hence, major axis of the ellipse is along y axis. मीन्स यहां मेजर एक्सिस किसके अलोंग होगा, y एक्सिस के. सो विल कंपेयर दिस इक्वेशन विद x स्क्वायर बाय b स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर बाय a स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. नाउ कंपेयरिंग द गिवन इक्वेशन, नाउ विच वन is the given equation, that is x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. With x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Well, because जब ये y axis के along axis होता है major axis, then equation of ellipse is x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. ठीक है, so we get b equal to 4, sorry, b equal to, this is b square equal to 4 and a square equal to 9, imply that b equal to 2 and a equal to 3. So we got the value of b and a as this. Now we can calculate the value of c. Hence c equal to a square minus b square, that is 3 square minus 2 square, c under root of this, that is 9 minus 4 under root, will be equal to under root 5. Hence we got all the three value of a, b and c. Hence a equal to 3, b equal to 2 and c equal to under root 5. Now when major axis is along y axis, then coordinate of foci will be 0 minus c and 0 c, or 0 c and 0 minus c. Now here in this case, coordinates of foci are 0c and 0 minus c will be equal to 0 under root 5 and 0 under root minus 5 because it is along the y axis. ठीक है. Now major axis always the larger axis means A will be the major axis itself, but coordinate will be now coordinate of vertices because vertices are always along the major axis. So in this case coordinate of vertices in this case are 0 a and 0 minus a. So this will be equal to 0 a की वैल्यू कितनी है, that is 3 and 0 minus 3. ठीक है. Now we got the vertices and foci. Next is major axis. So length of major axis is equal to 2a, that is 2 into 3 equal to 6. Length of minor axis 2b, 2 into 2 that is equal to 4. ठीक है. This is the length of minor axis. Now eccentricity of the ellipse. E equal to C by A. Here E will be equal to C की वैल्यू कितनी है, √5 by A 3. So this is under √5 by 3. ठीक है. So इस तरह से we have solved 2 examples. Complete exercise is based on these 2 examples only. So नोट करो. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. ओके बाय.